How do you position a product which is in a competitive market? We chose to play on the product's strength of currently being New Zealand's #1 bread. Our creative strategy was that Vogel's was so treasured by New Zealanders that you'd have to fight them for it. The posters will place the All Blacks, something iconically Kiwi, in various situations in supermarkets protecting Vogel's bread. The TV advert will begin with generic supermarket music. The doors will open and the camera will follow an old woman at foot level, parodying films such as The Shining, into the supermarket. As the advert unfolds, the camera gradually climbs higher and higher as suspense is built up as to who this woman is and what is her purpose, yet her face is not revealed. As she rounds the corner to the bread aisle, the action takes on the form of a spaghetti western as both characters realise only one loaf of bread remains. A tomato rolls across the aisle between the two as the characters face each other with dramatic effect. The old woman's eyes narrow as she declares, "Don't even think about it," in a broad Kiwi accent. The logo is shown before the old woman and her wheelie bag are seen leaving the supermarket, victorious. For point of sale, signs will be strategically placed amongst the bread aisle, warning people of the danger of overprotective Kiwis in the area. This will create a buzz in the supermarket and raise awareness of the brand while people are shopping. For a PR event, men dressed as the All Blacks could be placed next to Vogel's bread in the supermarkets to interact with customers as they approach and try to buy the product. This would be done in a comical way.